Welcome in the very center of Dudelange. This time we'll be showing you a 4-bedroom house with 2 bathrooms and a 2-car garage plus a garden. We listed this at 1,218,000. It has over 180 square meters livable space to offer. And here we have a nice open living room, which also gives out to a terrace and a garden on the back side, and the kitchen is on the front side of the property. It's a nice open kitchen, which also has a breakfast bar on this side. The countertops, by the way, are made of stone and they are very nice. We have cookers, we have the induction cookers right here, and of course the oven and microwave. Let's move up to the first floor. On the first floor, we find, first of all, a nice kids' room, which is on the front end of the property. Going through the hallway, we have a nice bathroom. And if I say nice, it is really nice. It has attention to detail, especially the shower, and there's a little detail. Here we have a little radio. So when you're taking your shower in the morning, it is absolutely perfect because you can just enjoy your wake-up call and get the cold shower done in a hurry. Let's move on to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom, which by the way also has a balcony. It's a big balcony, about 7 square meters. And what's also interesting is that over here we have a walk-in closet. It is deeper than the room itself. It's amazing. You should really come and see this. Now let's move up to the last floor. And here we find 2 more bedrooms and another bathroom. Let's start with the first one, which is on the front side of the building. It is under the roof, which by the way is completely isolated, don't worry there. But this is a big and spacious bedroom for any kind of guests coming over. For these guests, you need of course a bathroom, of course you do. And over here we have one with a nice bathtub. It has jets in it. And again, the attention to detail is absolutely stunning. Over here, we have the 4th bedroom. The 4th bedroom has so much space that you can use it in any kind of way you want. If you love your guests or your parents-in-law, then this is for them. Otherwise, you can use it as a gym, as an office, or as a playroom. This property has absolutely everything you need. And of course, you can get all the details in the description below this video, and you can reach out to us to come and see this property, but we will also do an open house. So if you're interested, just come on by.